Welcome friends to my channel Neeraj Kapse. Today we are going to see how you can install Kale IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, on your system. So I have just downloaded the Kale from Kale website. So you can type Kale download, you will get ARM website, and it is up to 2K. It's open source, so you can download it from there. So once I download, you will get different versions like C51V 956, C166V 756, C251V 559, and MDK 522. So this is a very basic 8051 Kale. Just double click on the application. So once you hit the application button, it will ask you to allow this device. Click on S. So it is a Kale version 956, 9.56. So just click on next. I agree. Next. C51 version V5. Next. Write your name here. So write your credentials. So click on next after this. So it will take another 1 minute to complete the setup. So just wait for 1 minute to complete the setup as well. So it will load all the files, installation files and all. We'll link all the files. So it's linking all the header files, so you can get here AD89C51 and something like that. So all the header files will be automatically loaded and installed. So these different versions are for different manufacturers and different toolchain of this as well. So all the toolchains, if you require, you can install, or only if you want to work with 8051, then go with only Kale C51 setup, that is version 9.56. So installing this, and then we'll get creating a symbol, program symbols and all. So once it's done, you will get icon on the desktop, that is Kale 51. So you can show the release notes and example projects. So if you require that, you can click that, or just untick this and click on a finish. Okay, just it. Then second type is install this C166V756. So just double click on this as well. So click on IS again. So again the same thing. I agree. Do this. Next. Same folder, same credentials it is going to use, and again click on a next. Okay, once it is done, you can finish it up. If we load our unpack, so this is MDK 522 is for only ARM, so you can use this for ARM microcontroller. So it will take 5 minutes for installation. So I will just pause the video. So you can open a Kale now. So it's already installed. So Kale 5. Okay, so you can maximize it. Here it is a project window, or you can go to project, new project. So here you'll get all the YC repository names. So I will give a name as a trial. Click save. So under the legacy device database, so you'll get different database like ABOV, Acer, Alteam, analog devices, anchor chips and all. So if want to do atmel 889C51, so select this 889C51, click OK, writing C program. So this is new file. So here you will get multiple files, project window, build window. Okay, so this is the Keil installation. If you like this particular video, please press like button. If you're not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button and also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you.